Ever wonder why some products, even those that have been rigorously tested, still end up failing spectacularly in the real world? What if I told you that most of these failures are not only predictable, but also preventable? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into why passing a test doesn't guarantee success. So, why does a product that aced all its lab tests suddenly break down when you get it home? Think of it this way. Testing a product in a lab is like a soccer team practicing on a tiny, perfect field. They might master every drill, but the real game? That's played on a full-size field with unpredictable weather, a rowdy crowd, and opponents who don't play by the practice rules. The controlled environment of the lab just can't replicate the chaos of reality. Lab testing is crucial, yes, but it's only one piece of a much larger puzzle.